Welcome back. At 8:30, we want to get back to a massive fire that we're following in Denver near Glendale. The glow from that monster fire could be seen all across the Denver metro area. Its smoke plume even showed up on our weather radar. 9 News reporter Rachel Krause is live from the scene near Leetsdale and Holly this morning. Rachel, we've seen something a little bit different every half hour. What's going on now?
Yeah, Lauren, you can see behind me here, we're still seeing a lot of smoke up in the area. Here's some big black clouds of smoke and a lot of lighter color smoke that's been filling the area here. We've been seeing that smoke get lighter in shade throughout the morning here, which is of course a great sign. We are definitely seeing crews out there on ladders still actively. You've got a lower one and then you've got a higher one kind of over here on Leetsdale Drive near Holly Street, where crews are actively spraying on top of the building right now. The building's still smoking half a day after this massive fire broke out. Now, this all started just before 7 o'clock last night at the Harker Heights building near Leetsdale Drive and South Forest Street. The building is a 283 unit development that was supposed to open back in May. Denver Fire says it was under construction, but it's unclear if anyone was inside the building when this all started. One firefighter was hurt and was taken to Denver Health for treatment. Kenny Shorts lives close by. He was here last night when this all broke out.
Well, right when I got home, we got an alert on our phone that said had to evacuate everything. And you could just see people gathering and just starting to see smoke, light. And all of a sudden you saw the fire hose just start spraying water everywhere. And I go back to our apartment and all of a sudden our power is out.
Now, as for what caused this massive fire, that's still under active investigation. Reporting live in Glendale, Rachel Krause, 9 News.
Rachel, thank you so much for that live report.